In this video, I will show you how to earn 150 cents per hour by watching videos. It's one of the easiest ways to make your money online. The first website on our list is called u-cubes.com. As you can see here, they have over 1 million members and were founded in 2007. So basically, you can earn cash online by viewing different websites, completing surveys, and most importantly, watching videos. And 20,000 payments have already been sent to people around the world. To sign up for a free account, all you have to do is just click on this button where it says sign up for free, and then it will take you to this page that you can see here. Sign up for free. Now you just want to enter your email address, create a password, fill in your full name, username, gender and date and birth, and select your country of residence by clicking this drop down arrow. So as you can see, they accept people from all over the world. Just curious where you are coming from watching this now. Let me know in the comments section so I can make sure in the future that single videos I post are means for you. Now, how did you hear about it? You can just type in YouTube and then hit the next I'm not a robot and click register. And from there we can now watch a simple YouTube video just like this one for about 30 and 60 seconds and get paid for it. A shorter video will pay you less, while a longer video will pay you more. As a bonus tip, what I usually do is just mute the video and just let it play in the background without actively watching it. Generally, I open multiple tabs and open a different video in each tab. By doing this, you can basically make more money in a lot less time. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Now we go to the second website in our list where we can watch videos and earn money. It is called boxinside.com. As you can see here, we can earn money every 10 seconds. That's what I like about this website. You can just watch a very short video like 10 seconds and you can get paid. The best part about this website is that you can cash out immediately after reaching the $2 threshold. On their website, they literally show you the last 250 payouts they sent to people from all over the world. As you can see here, they accept people all over the world. They are very transparent about all payments they send people. Here you can see all usernames with their country flags. You can also view all payment methods including Perfect Money, Coinbase, RTM, PayPal and more. You can also see their total income. So to get started, you need to sign up for a free account. To do so, just click on the register button here. And this will take you to the registration form where you have to create a username, enter your login or payment email address, and in the referral field you can just leave it blank. In the next step, just select your desired currency for cash out and select your desired payment method. For payment methods, you can use Perfect Money as cash, PayPal, Coinbase, RTM. So I definitely prefer PayPal as it more convenience. Be sure to comment below and let me know if you like it as much as I do. So from there, just select your year of birth and right at the bottom you have to click on one of these icons to select their wish. This is just to prove that you are not a robot. After that, just click on register here. The third website is called fusioncash.net. The best thing about this website is that they pay you to sign up for a free account. As you can see here, they give you a $5 sign up bonus, 100% free and to register an account. Now all you have to do is simply click on this button that says get $5 so you can sign up for a free account and then fill in your username, email address, password and zip code and just click on the register button. Now the thing to note is to make sure you have verified your email address. Make sure you check your inbox for the confirmation link. After completing the register, now you can watch different video and start earning. You can also do various tasks, download mobile app, play games and refer friends to earn money with fusioncash.net. Please like this video to support us, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button.